In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade your Mailchimp account. Alright, let's dive right in. So you've been using Mailchimp for your email marketing needs, but have decided that it's time to scale down your plan. Whether it's due to budget constraints, a change in your business needs, or you simply don't need all the features of your current plan, downgrading is a straightforward process. Mailchimp provides different tiers of service to accommodate various needs, and today I'll walk you through the steps to adjust your plan to better suit your current requirements. Let's get started. First and foremost, you'll want to navigate to the Mailchimp login page. It's essential to start from the beginning to ensure there's no confusion along the way. Once you're at the login page, you should see the fields prompting for your username or email and your password. Carefully type in your username or the email address associated with your Mailchimp account, and then proceed to enter your password. The accuracy of this information is key to a smooth login process, so double check your inputs before moving on. After entering your credentials, you'll see a login button. Click on this to access your Mailchimp dashboard. This dashboard is the control room for your email marketing operation, so to speak. Once logged in, you'll likely see a home page summarizing your current campaigns, audience data, and the like. Your next step will be to locate and click on your profile, which is typically found in the top right corner of the page. Think of this as your personal corner in the vast Mailchimp universe. Here you can access your personal settings, account information, and more. After clicking your profile, among the options presented, you'll want to select Account and Billing. This area is where Mailchimp keeps all your subscription and billing details neatly organized. Upon entering the Account and Billing section, look for the Billing option. This is where things start to get a little more detailed. The Billing section houses all the information related to your plan, your payments, and your options for adjusting your Mailchimp subscription. Within the Billing section, you're going to find an option or link titled Monthly Plans or Credits. This part is crucial because it's where you can view the specifics of your current plan and explore the different plan options Mailchimp offers. It's designed to give you flexibility and control over the services you're paying for and using. And finally, once you're reviewing your monthly plans or credits, you'll see an option to change plan. This button is your gateway to downgrading or upgrading your Mailchimp subscription. Selecting Change Plan will present you with the various plan tiers that Mailchimp offers, including the features and the corresponding pricing. As you select a new plan that suits your needs better, take a moment to review all the details. Mailchimp does a great job of listing what each plan includes and any limitations it may have. When choosing to downgrade, consider how the change might affect your email marketing and whether the new plan accommodates your essential needs. It's crucial to weigh the benefits and downsides before making your final decision. Once you've made your choice, follow the prompts to confirm the change. Mailchimp will typically ask for confirmation to ensure that you're aware of the switch and any implications it may carry for your account and services. To sum up, while downgrading your Mailchimp account might seem like a step back, it's actually a strategic decision that can help you allocate your resources more effectively. By following these steps, you can tailor your Mailchimp subscription to better suit your current needs, ensuring you're not paying for features you don't use. Remember, the goal is to make email marketing work for you efficiently and cost-effectively. Whether you're downsizing or just optimizing your expenses, adjusting your Mailchimp plan can be a smart move toward more focused and effective email marketing efforts. And there you have it. Simple, right? I hope this guide has helped you understand how to downgrade your Mailchimp account smoothly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Mailchimp's support team or leave your query in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.